just got off a night shift. We have to drive to the border now. She's waiting out this one. Okay, cross the border. Going into Trader Joe's. Gonna find a cute snack. Yay! Let's find a snack. You have to be kidding me. That's so amazing. It's so good. Okay, first time at Trader Joe's. We have the haul. Okay, who wants to go first?
I have a lot of stuff.
I can go. Well, I guess Abby, you have the least of them.
Yeah, I do have the least amount of stuff. I got, this is to make later tonight, but I got this butter with brown sugar and maple syrup. That looks so good. We also wanted to buy everything in there.
Yeah,
That's hard.
it's actually a problem.
And then I'm gonna, that was actually bad. I'm gonna put it on these organic biscuits. So I'm gonna make biscuits and then
I love it.
I'm gonna put some butter with brown sugar and maple syrup. It's actually just like, I wish we had a Trader Joe's in Canada so bad.
I know.
You got so many good things.
Okay. I can have a lot. I got some gluten-free pumpkin pancake mix.
I got it too.
Apparently, I got influenced by this lady, and apparently it is amazing. So, I'm gonna try this with my mom in a couple weeks when I visit her. Got some gluten-free oatmeal coconut cookies.
Those look so good.
Whoa, I didn't even see those.
They
Yeah.
don't even look gluten
You guys can try it.
Those look so good.
free.
And then I'm really excited for this. It is cinnamon spiced coffee. Just yum. Like, enough said. So many spices. Spices for my brother.
For your brother.
All the options.
For just
So,
seasoning.
just seasoning, yeah. He's a boy living on his own for the first time.
So fun.
And then I got some chomps for a friend.
Soon.
And bloobs.
Amazing.
Bloobs.
Those are basic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got these fun tortilla chips, but mostly because I got this mango habanero guac, which we should definitely try tonight. I'm very excited about it. I don't know how spicy it'll be, but that looks
so
amazing. I got just like a trail mix and some chomps as well, and some muffins, but that's not good as, and apples. But then I got Scandinavian sweaters.
She actually grabbed like 4 bags.
I actually only ended up getting 2, but they're actually large. I forgot how big they are. It's
There's
a lot of candy.
actually in there.
I don't even like, they're good, but they're not like that good, but they're just, Lucas like would die for these, so.
Yeah, it's gonna be so happy.
And then I got these, I'm very curious about them, dark chocolate covered pistachios. Sounds fun and interesting. And then I had to get just a little bit of the dark chocolate peanut butter cups because they're so good.
Oh, that does look so good.
Yeah, that's it.
That's everything?
Yeah.
Okay, now we have to drive through Seattle, question mark?
Yes.
Okay,
So,
next stop.
next stop.
CN Tower.
See it. This is the worst video ever. America. Space Needle.
Stop, this is so cute.
So cute little bunk beds.
This is way cuter than I thought.
Butter with brown sugar and maple. Cheers.
That's really good. I like the biscuit.
I like the butter.
This would be so good on waffles or something. Like, you don't even need syrup. You could just put this on. It's butter and syrup together.
Oh, I wish I had Trader Joe's.
That's really good.
I'm so cold. This is not.
It's not wet. Like, we're...
Put it on your eye. I think it's that one. This is not the hiking weather we were hoping for. It's literally disgusting rain. We're gonna do it anyways. We're gonna be troopers.
We ran through the woods.
We made it.
Nothing could hurt us except for ourselves. Stuck in childhood. Every day there were new sights and smells. As the sun was shining on our skin, in love with being alive, we'd been using all our time to play pretend. With just our minds and hearts combined, thoughts and all our love aligned, and we never feel alone again. As the sun would set, we'd run home and laugh at the fun that we had. Safe in our bed, saying goodnight and hugging our dad. As the sun was setting on our skin, in love with being alive, we'd been using all our time to play pretend. With just our minds and hearts combined, thoughts and all our love aligned, and we never feel alone again.
Taking their sweet time.
Time moved fast, forgetting our past. As our lives went on, different paths we all traveled down, but we still shared them all. So we always came back to visit our town. As the sun was rising on our skin, in love with being alive, we'd been using all our time to play pretend. With just our minds and hearts combined, thoughts and all our love align, and we never feel alone again.